Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday. I wanted to show you, of course, our quick overview of what is going to be happening today. So you are going to get logged in to It's Learning. Oh my goodness, it's been so. Let's try this one. All right, here we go, boys and girls. You are going to get logged into It's Learning. Of course, it says, look right here, I'm logged in as a student. So you are going to go right here. As you can see, I have it right here, school closure 427. You're going to scroll down, and of course you can click show more. Here are your pathways. You have pathways today and tomorrow the same, and then on Wednesday you will get new pathways. We will have a class meeting on Tuesday at 10:30. I am available any day this week for conferencing. I did not send out another conference sign up because I know some of you, those times weren't working for you, but please email me if you want me to meet with you, because I would love to meet with you, and I really do. Let's take a quick overview. Let's do second grade first. Second grade, this week you have, it says watch and read Sticks and Stones. You can click this link, it will open up, there's Sticks and Stones, and there's also this I Know How You Feel. You can click this little X out of here to exit out. And what you're going to do is you're going to watch that, and then you're going to play the word match and find a fact or a fiction. Now, all of that is right here. Here are the two stories you're going to read. Here's your word match, and here's your fact or fiction. That's what you're doing for reading today. The next thing you're doing, second grade, is you're going to do something different with math. It says you're going to do I Ready Math, measure length in inches. So the directions are go to class link, then go to math, and then go to I Ready. So kindergarten has been doing that. This is new for second grade. So you're going to go to math, click I Ready. Now, when I click I Ready, it'll look a little different, but when you click I Ready, it will log you in and it will say, oh, you have a new assignment, and you're going to complete the one that says measure length in inches. We are starting a new unit today. And then for extra practice right here, I have a new Zen Den I found for Cosmic Yoga. It says how to make good choices and how. So I really liked this. So I encourage you to watch this, and then don't forget to do your dream box. All right, let's take a look at kindergarten. Kindergarten, guess what? You are reading the same books as second grade. You're going to click those links. You're going to do the same exact thing. You're just going to watch these, though. And what you're going to do, though, is, oops, I went back to second grade. I'm so sorry. Let me go back to kindergarten. Hold on. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch these videos. You're just going to play the word match. And then you're going to come right here and you're going to watch the Be Kind video. And then you're going to draw a way that you can be kind and share it with a family member. All right, so let me click on that link so you can see it. And here it is, okay? It's just a couple minutes long. So, and then you're going to do Dreambox. Don't forget to complete 2 or 3 lessons. And I have also put some extra practice songs here for you. So, kindergarten and second grade, you don't have much to do today, so I know you can get it all done. It should take you less than about 40 minutes to get all of this done. Don't forget to do pathways. Let me know if you have any questions at all. I look forward to hearing from you.